In this video, I'm going to show you how to work with some of the contrast and brightness features of Photoshop. So I'm in an image and, maybe it's okay how it is, but maybe you want to, you're in a situation where you'd like to increase the contrast. If you go to Image and Adjustments, there's a brightness contrast option. And here's where you can, I'll just kind of move it over to the side a little bit. If you wanted to increase the brightness, you would do it here. If you would like there to be more contrast between the darks and the lights, you could increase the contrast here. So, you can play around with these settings. You could also drop the brightness and the contrast if that's what you're kind of shooting for. But if you've taken a photograph and perhaps it's just a little bit dim, you could always up these, alter these values to get a slightly better image quality. Keep in mind, though, that if you do increase the contrast too much, you're going to start to lose some of the detail. So there's a little bit of a balance there between having enough distance between the values and losing detail.